Alright guys, today we're fixing one of the most stolen cars in the United States of America, which is no other than the Dodge Charger, which they really ruined and turned it into an EV. So now finally its name kind of makes sense. Not only are we fixing the design, which I don't think quite looks like the old one or the new one, but we're also gonna make it a V8 once again. So I think the rear of this car and also the front, they simply slope down too much, especially in the front, and also the wheels are too small. So I can understand they tried to make it look like the old version, but I also think they failed. First of all, we're gonna make the front a little more bulky without making it look too much like a Challenger, but we're gonna get back to this soon. Now let's also make the wheels a little bigger, and I think this door surely needs to be a little bigger as well. I think this version looks too much like it could be sort of a four-door sedan, but it's not, so let's make it actually feel like a coupe. In this part, I tried to make the car a little bulkier by lowering its body, which really didn't work, so I lowered the car by simply bringing the entire earth a little higher. Now we're also gonna get rid of these stupid American regulations as always. Now, to make this car look more like the old one, we're gonna get rid of this part down here. And I know this might not make sense aerodynamically or however you want to call it, but we're simply having fun with the looks of the car in this video. So let's fix the windows. They might look like they don't need any changes, but they do. Because I think right now they look more like the original car. Now we're gonna fix the front without trying to make this car look like a 2006 Mustang, as well as some extra adjustments in the rear to pronounce the Charger feel. Now, as we avoid making it look like this Lamborghini, which never was released, we're gonna get rid of the rear bumper, and this will really make it look like the old version. Now we pop the hood. First, we fix the shameful act of putting an electric motor in a Dodge Charger. Then we get rid of this big ass battery. Now we're gonna bring back the Hemi V8, but with a Whipple, of course. So this is how we're looking right now, guys. Might still need some adjustments, but this is before, and it definitely looks better now than it used to, because this looks deflated, honestly. And here's a version with black wheels, just so we can also see this, I guess. And you should watch this video where I fix all of the new BMWs, or this video if you want to hear me yapping about Jaguar's new brand identity. But anyways, thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.